Come on now. Look at this. I ain't even put any mousse yet. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my lovely bathroom. Today we are doing some boho bob passion twist. I figured to kind of put a little twist to it, do something different with the passion twist. I feel like this is so cute. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and we're just gonna get right into it like right now. So this is the hair that we'll be using today. It is from QVR Hair and it is the Kinky bulk human hair in the color 2T30 and it is 20 inches. Now this is again human hair, so you're literally able to take your hair out and reuse it again. I do plan on reusing it again to do mini passion twists, which I think is also going to be a cute style. But initially coming out of the pack, this hair is extremely soft, and even when I was installing it, I had zero tangles whatsoever. It did not tangle up at all, and this hair honestly is just perfect to use if you want to do little mini passion twists or jumbo passion twists. And all of the information to the hair is in the description box. Okay, so this is how I parted my hair. I have 3 on each side here. Well, yeah, 3 on each side. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the back. So I have 7 rows in the back and then 3 on each side, or really 4 because I have this right here, but if you can do 3 or 4 on each side, it's still gonna come out the same way. So this is pretty much how I part my hair. So for each row, I like to prep my parts and put them in twists, so that way it's easier for me to just grab and go and just twist them up. And this hairstyle honestly did not take me long. It really just took me about, I would probably say, 4 hours to complete, only because I had to prep my hair for parting, and the install itself honestly really took about an hour to 2 hours, which was very quick. So this is like a very easy beginner friendly hairstyle, even if you don't quite know how to do twists. But this kind of install is extremely easy to do, and you can even do it in the crochet version where you tie rubber bands to your hair and then crochet the hair in and begin the twist. But here I'm doing the knotless method where I kind of just do 1 braid first and then I add in the hair, as you can see, and then I braid about maybe 4 or 5 times, and then I join the single strand of my natural hair to the right hand, and then I twist right over left. But some of my twists, sometimes I twist right over left and sometimes I twist left over right. Honestly, to me it doesn't matter, but if you want to twist right over left, that's also okay too. But I honestly just did it both ways, and you could kind of even see it in the pattern of my twist in the back. So I do add rubber bands to the ends of the twist just to keep them from unraveling when I do end up cutting the ends, just to create that bob boho look. And honestly, this was really a trust the process kind of hairstyle because the ends will look crazy, and I did end up having to add additional hair when I reached to the top of my head, because the hair did get a little shorter and I wanted all of the twists to be of equal length. So I will in the later clips show you how I added additional hair to the twist that was shorter than the rest. Also, one thing that I didn't do for all of the twists was fluffing out both ends of the hair. So you want to make sure that you fluff both ends of the hair so that way the ends of the twist can come out just as equally thick as the rest, and so you don't have one twist that's kind of skinny and then the other twist is thicker than the other. So make sure that you fluff out both ends of the hair before you install it. I'm finally done with the back, and pretty much that's what the back is looking like. And now we're finally getting to the front. This is definitely a trust the process type of hairstyle, because I know y'all see the ends are looking crazy right now, but we're gonna fix it. It's gonna look cute, okay? It's gonna look cute. Okay, y'all, so I already cut some of the ends off camera because I wanted to see how it would turn out before I do it on camera, and this is how, bruh. Okay, so my light just died. I'm kind of liking it so far, so let's keep cutting and see how it turns out. So I did decide to add a few pieces to some of the twists of the hair that I had left over from this hair, just to give the boho look, and all I did was just tie a knot. I should have used some flexi rods just to make it like extra curly instead of just leaving it plain like this. So if you want, you could add perm rods or use a curl wand. You could add heat to this hair and you can use a curl wand to give a more defined curl instead of just leaving it plain like this, or you can add flexi rods as well. And as you can see, this is how it's looking after I've added a few pieces. And don't mind me, y'all, I'm just doing my little happy dance because it's coming out so cute and I'm just loving it right now. So this is one of the twists that came out shorter than the rest. So what I'm going to do is fluff out the ends of a piece of the human hair, and what I'm going to do is add one end to the twist and I begin twisting, and once I lock in that piece, then I add in the other piece and then I begin twisting from there on. I hope that makes sense. It's in the same way as how you would add a piece of curly hair if you're doing boho knotless braids. So it's pretty much in that same way, except you're not leaving a strand out, you're adding both strands into the hair. Okay, y'all, so this is how the hair turned out. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, like, come on now. Look at this. I ain't even put any mousse yet. It is so cute, and I just love it. It turned out so cute. But hold on, let me put some mousse. So I'm using the Curl Style Mousse by ORS. But first I'm gonna spray this hair with some water. Since this is human hair. I don't like to put mousse on my scalp because for some reason it just makes my scalp itchy, so I only put it on the body of the hair. Like, this turned out so cute. This is why I say you gotta trust the process, cause bro, look at this. It's so cute. I didn't even do my edges. I done did my edges, now we good, and I just love this so much. It is so cute. I can't believe it even turned out like this, to my surprise. But it is so cute. You could even do like a little side thing like this. And I just feel like it's so cute for the fall too, and the perfect color. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, go ahead and comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 2K. The information to the hair will be in the description box below. All of the links that you need will be in the description box. And also, y'all, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I do post some things on there that I don't post on here. So y'all go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I just thank you guys for watching. Peace.